It is extremely easy to get your YouTube thumbnails created using Canva mobile app. All you have to do is use the social media option, and then here there is an option for the YouTube thumbnail. Once you do that, it will give you a list of templates to choose from, but you can customize these templates for your specific topic. So I'm selecting smartphone as my topic, and I have a bunch of templates to select from. Let me select any template that I want. Now here all the elements of this template are editable. For example, when I select the text, I can edit the text, I can change the text color, I can change the main image, I can replace it with something else, I can change this, or I can delete any element that I don't want. So I select this, I delete it, and then any special effects that I don't like or want to modify, I can always do that. I can either delete them or reposition them. And then and even I can change the background. So let's try replacing the background. So I selected the background, I'm clicking on replace. And before I go ahead, if you are editing across multiple devices, then I would suggest you to upload all your media using the uploads tab, and then choose photo or video from the uploads. But for now, I'm just picking an image from the camera roll for the demo. So like that, you can modify any element of the template as per your requirement, and then you can change the text color, or you can change the effects. You can create like an opaque or transparency effect in the background image, for example, or you can use the animate options. So once you're done updating the elements of the template, and once you have the template that you want, you can click on the download option, and then it will take a few seconds to prepare it, and then you hit on save image. Okay, so once you do that, you can simply go to your photos or gallery app to access the thumbnail, and then while uploading the video, you can upload this thumbnail. So do try this out and let me know if this helped you, or if you have any other question related to creating thumbnails from the Canva mobile app. Thank you so much.